Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this Ford Ecosport 1 litre ST line 5-door 6-speed gearbox, 125 horsepower, 18-inch beautiful alloy wheels, beautiful black paintwork, parking sensors around the back and rear camera. That'll aid you in all your rear parking needs, no bumps or scrapes as a result. Audible beeps telling you how close you are away, and of course the visualization and the huge screen that we've got inside here. Microsoft Sync 3, latest operating system from Ford. It uses a solid state hard drive. That basically means everything's super quick, so enter destination as easy and as quickly as inputting. Also, really intelligent system. You can find nearest restaurants, fuel stations, accommodation, parking. There's loads more options as well, and it just swipes and is all used like your smartphone. In the back we've got Isofix child seat anchor points. Connect to Isofix seat to those and it's secured into the chassis of the car. It's a lot more secure than your regular wraparound car seat types. Air conditioning and heated front windscreen on this Ecosport, and we've got two USB connections there, you can see just underneath. 12-volt power supply, 6-speed gearbox, 54.3 miles per gallon on this 6-speed gearbox. Audio including DAB radio, Bluetooth telephony and audio streaming. Navigation we've just been through. Mobile application download, so you can download sort of Napster, Spotify to the actual car, but you can also stream directly from your phone as well using those services, and of course if you've got music stored already on your phone. Speed limiter and cruise control. On the right hand side we've got volume control, enhanced voice command, where you can command most of the features on that screen just using your voice. Power to all 4 windows, fold away door mirrors, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. It's a beautiful car and it's a great price. We do know that because we scrutinise the market on a twice daily basis to make sure that you're getting a bargain. Takes the embarrassment of having to haggle as well, and the car's priced perfectly. Not only that, it's been prepared by Ford trained technicians as well and serviced recently. And of course award-winning customer service and great aftercare also. So thanks for watching, we hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.